Your hair deserves the best, and sometimes, the best isn't found in fancy bottles or expensive brands. It's right here, in 3 simple ingredients. Cocoa butter, black castor oil, rosemary oil. Together, they form one of the most powerful DIY hair butters for rapid growth, deep moisture, and stronger, thicker hair from root to tip. In this video, I'll walk you through every detail, from the science behind each ingredient to the step-by-step process of making your own luxurious butter at home. Let's start with a little story, because every ingredient has a history. Cocoa butter, extracted from roasted cocoa beans, is the same natural fat used in chocolate. But long before it sweetened desserts, it was treasured in Africa for its ability to soften skin and seal moisture into the hair. Then there's black castor oil, dark, thick, and deeply nourishing. It's made by roasting and pressing castor beans, a method that enhances its ricinoleic acid content, an incredible compound that boosts blood circulation to hair follicles and strengthens weak roots. And finally, the hero of growth, rosemary oil. This little herb isn't just for cooking. Studies have shown that rosemary oil can stimulate hair growth as effectively as minoxidil, but without the side effects. It improves blood flow to the scalp, fights dandruff, and reawakens sleeping follicles. So when you combine these 3, you get a butter that doesn't just coat your hair, it feeds it. What makes this combo different from others? It's all about synergy. Cocoa butter provides the moisture lock. It keeps hydration sealed inside your hair shaft. Black castor oil brings strength and thickness. It fortifies the roots and prevents breakage. And rosemary oil brings stimulation, waking up dormant follicles and speeding up growth. Think of it like a team. Cocoa butter is your protector. Black castor oil is your builder. Rosemary oil is your energizer. Together, they create an environment where your hair can thrive, hydrated, nourished, and constantly regenerating. Let's make our butter. Here's what you'll need. 3 tablespoons of cocoa butter, 2 tablespoons of black castor oil, 8 drops of rosemary essential oil, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Optional, for longer shelf life and extra shine. Step 1. Melt your cocoa butter using the double boiler method, never microwave it directly. Place it in a bowl over simmering water and let it melt slowly. Step 2. Once melted, add your black castor oil and stir gently. This gives your mixture a rich, golden brown tone and a thick, nourishing texture. Step 3. Remove from heat and let it cool for about 10 minutes. Step 4. Add your rosemary essential oil drops and vitamin E, stir well. Step 5. Whip it. Use a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes creamy and fluffy, like buttercream frosting. Step 6. Store in an airtight glass jar. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. Now that your butter is ready, here's how to get the most from it. Take a small amount and rub it between your palms until it melts. Apply directly to your scalp, massaging in slow, circular motions. This boosts circulation and helps the rosemary oil do its magic. Then glide the melted butter along your strands, focusing on your ends. The cocoa butter will seal moisture while the castor oil strengthens weak spots. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, preferably at night, so your scalp can absorb the nutrients while you sleep. For deep treatment, apply generously and cover your hair with a warm towel or shower cap for 30 minutes before washing. If you're consistent for 4 to 6 weeks, you'll notice thicker roots, less breakage, softer, shinier hair, and visible growth along your hairline and crown. About care and storage. Your butter can last up to 3 months if stored properly. Avoid dipping wet fingers inside. Always use a clean spoon or spatula. If you live in a hot climate, refrigerate it. It'll harden but will melt easily when rubbed between your palms. And here are a few tips. Don't add too much rosemary oil, it's strong. Stick to 6 to 8 drops per batch. If your scalp is sensitive, test a small patch before full application. You can blend this butter with your favorite leave-in cream or aloe vera gel for an extra boost. Nature has already given us everything we need, we just have to use it wisely. This cocoa butter and black castor blend isn't magic in a bottle, it's consistency in a jar. When you use it regularly, with patience and care, your hair begins to thank you in ways you can see and feel. So if you're ready to start your natural hair growth journey, don't wait for the next trend. Start with what's already powerful, proven, and pure. If this video inspired you, tap the like button and share it with someone who needs a hair transformation. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, because in our next video, we'll dive into another butter that's just as powerful. Your healthiest, strongest hair is just one butter away.